Replacing the radar. Take off the front plate by pulling and lifting the plate. Remove the 6 screws connecting the plate, and take off the back plate and the connectors. Remove the 4 screws connecting the plate, and take off the radar plate. Take out the radar case by pressing on the springs while gently lifting out the case. The radar has 4 screws. Unscrew them. Clean the radar of hair and other foreign matter. Check the belt. Or replace the radar. Take out the radar and disconnect it. Connect it and put it in place.